Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am here with a student. We're practicing his test. His test is gonna be later on today, so I'm gonna run through the test, but this time I'm gonna actually run through the test and I'm gonna record it from outside of the car. I'm gonna call him on the phone and I'm gonna record it just like they're gonna do in the actual driving test. So you can see exactly how they're gonna do it and kind of know exactly what to expect. But again, before I get into the video, I have to say what I have to say, right? Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Happy to have you. Stop back as often as possible, because again, I have a lot of videos that are going to be very helpful to you if you're trying to learn to drive. To all of my subscribers that keep coming back to the channel, even though you have your driver's license and you just love the channel, I love you right back, and continue supporting the channel. Alright, so I'm going to get into the video. I'm just going to step outside. I'm going to call him on the phone, and then we're going to proceed to show you exactly what the test is going to be. All right. All right. Your phone's not ringing. What's going on? Okay. I didn't even hear it ring, dude. All right, so they're gonna ask you to go ahead and do the turn signal. Signal left. All right. Signal right. All right, we're gonna do it from the front again. Okay, and go ahead again and the other side. All right. Then they're gonna ask you to basically press the brake, make sure the brake lights are working, and honk the horn. All right, cool. All right, so I want you to reverse from here, and then go up there to the left and stop at the stop sign, make a right turn. And this is exactly how they're gonna give you instructions step by step what they want you to do. So go to the stop sign right there and make a right turn. All right, so make sure you signal. Oh, then the call dropped. Hello? Yo. Hello?
Oh, I think we accidentally hung up.
Yeah, the call dropped. That's funny. All right, go ahead and make your right turn. Make sure you signal though. So every time they tell you to turn, you make sure you use your turn signal, because that would be -4 points if you don't signal. So make sure you signal every time. All right, so we're gonna make a right turn here again. It is freezing. Make sure you stay on your right side though, right? You make sure you go up enough where your mirror is past the curb, but make sure you stay in the right lane. I go all the way down to the end of the road here, and you're gonna make a right turn. All right, come to a complete stop there and make a right, and then you're gonna make an immediate right. Alright, make another right. Alright, so pull straight down. I'll tell you when to stop, and then I'm gonna ask you to reverse in a straight line. Alright, go ahead and stop right there. Alright, reverse, straight back. So you're reversing, and you gotta make sure you stay 100% in your lane. You can't go into the parking space, and you can't go over to the other side. Alright, so they're gonna make you reverse for about 30 feet, so that's good. Stop about there. Now they're gonna ask you to speed up to 20 miles per hour and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up and stop. Okay, cool. Now the next thing they're gonna do is ask you to park in between these cones. So go ahead and park in between the cones. Oh man, the phone dropped, the call dropped again. Wow, that was very close, bro. Alright, stop. Okay, that's good enough. The call dropped again, dude. Alright, but you see how you came up? You were like, you came up a little bit. Yeah, so you were like really close. Yeah, but your phone's not acting right though. Alright, reverse from there. So you back straight out. When your mirror is past the cone, you're gonna stop and you're gonna turn, because you're going that way. Alright, it's good. Alright, back up, and you're gonna go to the stop sign and then make a left turn. Okay, that's good enough. Alright, go to the stop sign, make a left, and then we're gonna do the 3-point turn. Alright, make sure you stop there, because you're gonna have a stop sign over there where we're gonna be doing the test. Make your left turn. So you're gonna pull close to the right side so you can do the 3-point turn. Alright, stop about there and go ahead and do your 3-point turn. Okay, so that's good enough. It is freezing, bro. Damn. Okay, that's good. Alright, go ahead and make your right turn, and then we're going to park. And then park on the left. And straighten up. Go straight in. Alright, that's good. Alright, stop there. Alright, so basically the test would end right here. Alright, so let me just hang up and finish this video. Alright, so as you see, that is exactly what you're going to be doing on the test. You know, that is the driving test in a nutshell. You're going to be doing step by step everything that we just did, and if you follow those instructions, you should be fine. I mean, the test is actually quite straightforward. Like I said, they're going to call you on the phone and they're going to take you through it step by step, just like we just did. All right. Alright, so again, I'm going to ask you to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. Alright, tell all your friends about the channel. Try to help me to get up into the big numbers. Alright, again, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.